The trigonometric identities, those three identities we have seen. What are those three identities? We have seen sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. This is one identity. Also, the another identity, 1 plus tan square theta equals secant square theta, and the other one is 1 plus cot square theta is equals cosec square theta. Okay. Now, you see, from these three identities, we are equating one another. We will get the other relationship also. That also we should know how, what kind of things and all this can be done. Okay. See, the value of cos square theta from this equation, what you can say? One minus sin square theta. This sin square theta goes to the other side, means that is 1 minus sin square theta. Now, the value of sin square theta, first we will get cos theta value here. What you can say about cos theta value? The square we don't want. Then the square can be plus or minus square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. And then the value of sin square also can be equated like this. What is the value of sin square theta? One minus cos square theta. Now the value of sin theta, that is plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Any doubts on this? Any other way we can equate this? That's all. These are all only possible ways. Okay. And the next one, this 1 plus secant square theta is there, right? From this, the value of secant square theta minus tan square theta, that is, which means this tan square transpose to the other side, 1. Okay. Then this looks like what formula to you? No. A square minus B square. Okay, see, we are just doing what are all the interpretations can be done on this. Okay, you can consider each one of them as a formula you can memorize, or if you can able to transpose one thing to another side and find the value of the respective thing, we don't need to memorize this and all. This and all are not a count of formula to you. Only these three is main. These three, what are all the ways it can be equated, I am telling. Okay. See, this is in the form of a square minus b square. And what is the formula for a square minus b square? That is a plus b into a minus b. So here, what is a? Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Or what we can say, secant theta plus tan theta equals 1 by secant theta minus tan theta, and vice versa. Secant theta minus tan theta equals 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Okay. And the value of secant square and tan square we need to find. Value of secant square, what we have seen actually. See man, here itself the value. Secant square theta is what? 1 plus. What is the value of secant theta then? Plus or minus square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. And then what is the value of tan square theta here? Secant square theta minus 1. Okay. And the value of tan theta is what? Plus or minus square root of secant square theta minus 1. Okay. Now, what is the value of tan square theta minus secant square theta? Minus 1. Tan square theta minus secant square theta means the secant square transpose to this side and then this 1 transpose to the other side, minus 1. These are all the ways we can equate this identity. Now again I am giving you two choice. Either you memorize all this as an identity, as a formula, or you try equating one things to another, and whenever it's required you can equate, means you don't need to memorize this and that. Okay, you have to habituate to equate this equation. Clear? What you will do? Are you choosing option A or B? We don't want to do both, I know, but either one we should choose. Okay, better try to understand what are all the ways this can be equated. For that you should know how to handle the equation, how to equate one things to another. Some topics called auxiliary formula. Like the auxiliary formula topic means getting everything as a one value of another. Okay. Like here we got the value of secant theta in terms of tan theta. Here we got the value of tan theta in terms of secant theta. Likewise, we equated this formula, what are all the ways possible. Also, if you think very deeply, this also can be equated. How? Again, a square minus b square form it is. Is it or not? So, we can write secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1. The same way, that is it. The same way, here also we can equate. So, many possibilities are there. Now, can you equate in the same way what you have done for this? This equation can you equate and say what are all the identities? Now, tell me, any one thing, or else in this order itself you can say. Come on, try yourself. Cot square theta is equals cosec square theta minus 1. And then cot theta we can write root of, okay, then cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. It is there, so what? Then any other thing equated from this? Cosec theta is equals plus or minus root of, okay, then perfect cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals 1. And then cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equals minus 1. And then come on, that's all. Still two more. This is like one identity, say man. Using this formula. Don't go for this one, go for this one. because here minus 1 is there. Cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta equals 1. Also you can say, what is the value of cosec theta minus cot theta? One by this value I am asking. Then what do you have to do? Let me write the formula here. See, here I will write clearly. Cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Now I am asking, what is the value of cosec theta minus cot theta? One by cosec theta plus cot theta. That is all. Okay. Now what is the value of cosec theta plus cot theta? One by cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay. Clear? Any doubts on this? Okay. Now what you are going to do is, you just write these three identities. Try to write all the identities, all the versions of these identities by your own, by thinking. Okay. Simply the concept is very simple. You have to equate what are all the ratios involved. Then you will get the identity, the result. If square is there, means square root one identity, another identity you can take. Likewise, try to write everything by yourself. You can see the board for reference. Okay. I am giving you 5 minutes. Make it fast. No, not 5 minutes. 7 minutes I will give you. More than enough. Try writing.